Hello and welcome to Indoor Gardening with Bruce. On this channel, I'll show you how to grow radishes, beets, potatoes, carrots, sugar peas, tomatoes, as well as several varieties of lettuce. My methods use minimal space, electricity, and I try to keep overall costs to a minimum. I will attempt to be short and to the point with these videos. Thanks for watching. This is the garden at 25 days from seed. What you're seeing down here is a couple different types of lettuce with the radishes intermingled among them. You can see the radish here, salad bowl lettuce. We've got some head lettuce down here, iceberg like in the stores. And then back here we've got a type of radish that is really sweet and not so harsh. They're called a French breakfast radish. Coming over here, the beets are doing quite well. Got them going on. Carrots. Potatoes in a bag with harvesting flat down below. The cherry tomatoes are coming up quite nicely. Got a couple of those plants. Then we sweep on over for these ones are a little less. I think I planted these about 15 days ago. They're coming up pretty strong from seed 15 days. Why, hello, my name's Bruce, and I'm going to show you how to do some indoor gardening on a budget. As you can see, I'm using about a 6 by 2.5 foot area, the size of a closet, and I did this setup for probably under 300 total, including automatic watering and other systems and lights. I just want to show you how I did this and found a way to be doing indoor gardening that is sustainable. Some safety things first. I am running everything on a ground fault interrupter circuits that automatically, since we're by water, you should have everything protected on one of those. I also do use an automated controllers, very cheap, Amazon voice control. Matter of fact, here, Alexa, turn off veggies. Alexa, turn on veggies. And so I'm going to be covering some of the ways you can do this very inexpensively and go through the various systems. In different episodes, we'll be covering the differences in lights, how to discern and buy a good light for around the $60 instead of $200. The difference between what a driver is on one of these and one of these without a driver, and why you want a driver on these. How to get your grow containers, the new style of high-tech bags that are out now that are really inexpensive. Different techniques of warming instead of buying seed warmers, putting those seeds in a baggie on top of your lights, utilizing what you've got. Instead of these fancy grow rooms with the foil, buying cheap old mirrors, things that you can get down at Lowe's for $7, for a big mirror panel. So keeping your costs low, keeping your yields high. What you're looking at here is something that was planted less than 25 days ago. You can see my potatoes, they've actually been hilled up twice. Carrots are doing great. We've got radishes intermingled among the lettuces. Here's the beets, baby cherry tomatoes. Peas are starting to grow up the homemade trellis system. And I'm just getting ready to plant peppers over here. Well, if you'd like to join the journey, follow me in coming episodes. Thanks for watching.